Well, hello, we are out here in my vegetable garden, and you know, some of the questions I get are ones that I don't even think about, but they are great questions, like, how do I know when my peppers are ready? How do I harvest my peppers? Guess what we're doing today? We're harvesting peppers. So what I grow at my house are mostly hot peppers, and at my mom's house, we put in more the sweet peppers. So for these hot peppers, look at all of them and how loaded they are. Recently, I canned my hot pepper mustard, and that's using these banana peppers, which these are hot banana peppers. Now, the thing to always first remember about peppers is, guess what? They all start out in some form of a green color. So if you think, wait a minute, I thought I got red peppers or purple peppers or orange peppers, where are they? They're coming. So as peppers sit on the vine or on the plant, they ripen. So if you come in here and look, we have yellow peppers, and then they go kind of to this orange-green color, and then eventually they go to a nice red color. So you can use them at any stage, but if you're wanting a color and your plant isn't getting there, that means they probably haven't been on the vine long enough. So before you start complaining thinking you had a mislabeled plant, you probably just haven't waited. So when I go to start harvesting these peppers, I used to think, you know what, I'm just gonna twist them off, pull them off. You oftentimes end up breaking pieces of the plant off, and you don't wanna do that because more peppers are going to produce. So I use a pruners, and I go in and I just make a cut. Now, you cut peppers and actually get them in for a few reasons. And one is, as they sit on the plant longer and longer, they're kind of stressing the plant. So as you actually can sit and harvest them and take some in, you're actually helping, the kitties help me do this too, but you're actually helping the plant. You're gonna actually reduce some of the stress so it can put it into more blooms, more pepper production. It's gonna be able to ripen other peppers quicker. So you're actually a twofold. You're helping yourself get more peppers, but you're also helping the plant be able to work harder on other aspects, just like you would when you prune anything. So I'm gonna keep getting in some peppers, and you'll see all the different varieties that I have. So you can see, I have a variety. I have poblano, I have peach jalapenos, Anaheim chilies, cubanelles. There are so many types. I have habanero, ghost peppers, banana peppers, the list goes on. And the reason I love to grow all these is because all the different things you can do. Oh, shishitos too, which I love, just char-broiled or grilled. Most of these, what I'm gonna do now is pickle them, just pickled hot peppers, which is delicious. I also love to make, fermented hot sauces. There's so many things you can do with chilies and hot peppers, and it's just fun to grow them. So it's important to know how and when to harvest, because if you haven't grown them, you may not know that they change colors. You may not know that it's better if you can just cut them off as opposed to try to pull them off. And all these things make a difference to help the plant thrive better, to help it be able to produce more peppers for you. Guys, you know what? And everyone loves peppers. Kitties love peppers, just everyone. Everyone in the world loves them, except the people that don't and don't like spice, which I totally get. So I hope this helps you realize that this is doable. This is easy. You can do it, because if I can do it, anybody can do this. So what do I hope you do with this? I hope this excites you to maybe grow some peppers, or at least go to a farmer's market to check out some good homegrown peppers, and share this video around, because it helps me so much, but it helps everyone else too see how easy and fun this can be. So share it around, check my website, wiseguide.com, for recipes, for tips, for tricks, whatever you need, it's on there. And until then, I'm gonna pick some more peppers, but go start canning some too, because there's quite a few.